So yeah, just talking about the future. Most important point I want to make is that we've realized that the true problem, the true difficulty, and where the greatest potential is building the machine that makes the machine. Is building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. The future. Not sort of a hodgepodge of things that are bought, where the machines are kind of bought from a catalog, but actually, just like we do with the car, we're going to try to create a car by ordering a bunch of things off a catalog. We design the car the way it should be, and then we make, either we or with working with suppliers, make all of those individual components. And there's almost nothing in a Model S that's in any other car. Just talking about the future. It's building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory.
It's building the machine that makes the machine. The future.
Just to give everybody that perspective, guys. Look at this. This is how big this factory is.